Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to merge two volumes into one on a single hard drive. So just keep in mind, to do this they have to be adjacent volumes on the actual hard drive, so you can't merge one volume from disk 1 to another volume on disk 2. So I'll show you what I mean here. So on this computer here I have data 1, my F drive, and data 2, the G drive, and these are both on the same hard drive. So if I open disk management, you can see they're both on disk 2. Here's data 1, here's data 2, F drive, G drive. So they're just separate volume. And if I go to each one, I have my data 1 files, my data 2 files. So to do this, since in disk management, if I right click it, I can't do anything. You could extend the volume. If this was blank space, you could extend it to make this volume larger. But since this is an actual volume taking up the rest of the space, the extend option is not going to work. So what we're going to do, let's use the good old NIUBI Partition Editor, which we've used for all kinds of stuff in the past, for moving volumes around, rearranging them, to copying volumes and that kind of thing. So here's that same drive here. So we have the volume data 1, volume data 2 on the same drive right next to each other. So now to merge them, we're going to right click on one of them, then merge volume. And so disk 2, here's data 1, data 2, select them both, and then click OK. That's trying to lock the volume. Always make sure you have File Explorer or any files open, closed that you have on these drives to avoid any errors or having to reboot. Okay, so now you can see it says data 1 is now 80 gigabytes because each one of those was 40 gigs in the past. So to have this take effect, you have to click on Apply. Just doing this is not enough, so click on Apply. So click OK. One operation executed successfully. Okay, so now we'll open File Explorer again. Go to this PC. So now we have data 1. Now it took up the whole drive, so 80 gigabytes, so the 40 and 40 combined. So here's our data 1 files. So here's the other files. In data 2, you can see it made this kind of temporary thing here, but it kept the file. So now we could just take this, we wanted to, cut it, and then paste it here. And then we could, get rid of this because we don't need it anymore. So now we're back in business. So of course, if you're going to do something like this, always back up your files if you have important stuff, because you never know if it's going to cause a problem and crash and then, lose data. So once again, make sure they're adjacent volumes. Just right click on one of them, merge volume, pick both of them, and then make sure you hit apply afterwards and you'll be good to go. All right, I'll put a link in the description so you can download the software here. This is the free edition. They have a professional edition too that does even more stuff, and then you get to check it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.